First snowfall of the year. We got the heated shit on. And let's go. It's cold. I'll keep the visor up for a little bit so you can hear me. Obviously it's cold, it's snowing. I think the wind chill is like 26, 24, I don't know. But I'm definitely geared up. Yeah, visor's gonna have to go down. You ain't gonna be able to hear shit, but you know, we'll see. I have to let it in 5 minutes. If I even make it that long. Alright, let's roll. Yeah, this looks cool. I doubt you can hear me. I don't know if we're going to figure it out. I think I did this last year. Except the snow's getting on my visor. Okay. How long are we going to be out? On my visor. Yeah, it's getting... I need windshield wipers. Look, at least we're all making a video. Why not? We might have to go back to the pedal bike for today, just to be safe. This should just stick. I'm not going to be able to see. One wipe. Let's get to the first part and reevaluate our decisions today. Nothing sticking. Yeah, it's sticking to my visor, so I can't see. Too funny. I think I got a... Oh, there is. 23. If I can see. Alright, let's get to the park. Let's just get in here. Alright, the roads are good. It's a little damp. Yeah, definitely nice and warm for the whole... Oh, I forgot to set the speed up. Alright, let's regroup and try this again. What the hell?